to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 14 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. My favorite holiday is Christmas because I love spending time with family.
My favorite holiday is Christmas because I love spending time with family.
Let's have a potluck dinner where everyone brings a homemade dish.
Let's have a potluck dinner where everyone brings a homemade dish.
I love going to the movies and watching the latest films.
I love going to the movies and watching the latest films.
Let's have a picnic on the beach and build sand castles.
Let's have a picnic on the beach and build sand castles.
My favorite hobby is photography. I love capturing moments and memories.
My favorite hobby is photography. I love capturing moments and memories.
What is your favorite type of weather? I love sunny days.
What is your favorite type of weather? I love sunny days.
Have you ever attended a theater play? It's fascinating to see live performances.
Have you ever attended a theater play? It's fascinating to see live performances.
As a musician, I'm going to perform at a local venue and share my music with others.
As a musician, I'm going to perform at a local venue and share my music with others.
I prefer drinking tea over coffee in the mornings.
I prefer drinking tea over coffee in the mornings.
I'm excited about the upcoming holiday. Do you have any plans?
I'm excited about the upcoming holiday. Do you have any plans?
What is your favorite type of board game? I love playing Monopoly with my family.
What is your favorite type of board game? I love playing Monopoly with my family.
I'm going to the farmer's market to buy fresh produce and support local farmers.
I'm going to the farmer's market to buy fresh produce and support local farmers.
Can you teach me how to speak English?
Can you teach me how to speak English?
Today, I'm going to start a new book. I love diving into different stories.
Today, I'm going to start a new book. I love diving into different stories.
Let's have a barbecue party in the backyard. I'll bring the burgers.
Let's have a barbecue party in the backyard. I'll bring the burgers.
Yesterday, I had a picnic at the beach. The weather was perfect.
Yesterday, I had a picnic at the beach. The weather was perfect.
Have you ever tried painting or drawing? It's a great way to express creativity.
Have you ever tried painting or drawing? It's a great way to express creativity.
As a teacher, I enjoy seeing my students learn and grow academically.
As a teacher, I enjoy seeing my students learn and grow academically.
I'm going to the bakery to try their delicious pastries and desserts.
I'm going to the bakery to try their delicious pastries and desserts.
My sister and I are planning a road trip across the country.
My sister and I are planning a road trip across the country.
I love collecting seashells when I go to the beach.
I love collecting seashells when I go to the beach.
As a tour guide, I enjoy showing visitors the historical landmarks of the city.
As a tour guide, I enjoy showing visitors the historical landmarks of the city.
Can you tell me your favorite hobby?
Can you tell me your favorite hobby?
Last night, I watched a movie with my family. It was really funny.
Last night, I watched a movie with my family. It was really funny.
I'm going to the airport to pick up my friend who is visiting from another country.
I'm going to the airport to pick up my friend who is visiting from another country.
As a flight attendant, I get to travel to different countries and meet new people.
As a flight attendant, I get to travel to different countries and meet new people.
I'm going shopping for new clothes. It's always exciting to update my wardrobe.
I'm going shopping for new clothes. It's always exciting to update my wardrobe.
I have a younger sister and an older brother.
I have a younger sister and an older brother.
I'm going to the beach to relax, sunbathe, and swim in the ocean.
I'm going to the beach to relax, sunbathe, and swim in the ocean.
Let's have a movie night at home with popcorn and our favorite films.
Let's have a movie night at home with popcorn and our favorite films.
My best friend and I love to go shopping together.
My best friend and I love to go shopping together.
I'm going to the swimming pool for a swim. It's refreshing and good exercise.
I'm going to the swimming pool for a swim. It's refreshing and good exercise.
My favorite fruit is watermelon. It's so refreshing on a hot day.
My favorite fruit is watermelon. It's so refreshing on a hot day.
Today, I'm going to visit the library to borrow some books.
Today, I'm going to visit the library to borrow some books.
Have you ever been to a zoo? Which animals did you find fascinating?
Have you ever been to a zoo? Which animals did you find fascinating?
I'm going to the library to study for my exams. It's a quiet and productive place.
I'm going to the library to study for my exams. It's a quiet and productive place.
As a chef, I love experimenting with flavors and creating new recipes.
As a chef, I love experimenting with flavors and creating new recipes.
Do you have any favorite board games? Which ones do you enjoy playing?
Do you have any favorite board games? Which ones do you enjoy playing?
Let's have a family camping trip to connect with nature and make lasting memories.
Let's have a family camping trip to connect with nature and make lasting memories.
He has been my best friend since high school.
He has been my best friend since high school.
Are you interested in learning a musical instrument? Which one?
Are you interested in learning a musical instrument? Which one?
My grandmother makes the best homemade cookies.
My grandmother makes the best homemade cookies.
I'm thinking about taking up photography as a new hobby.
I'm thinking about taking up photography as a new hobby.
I'm going to the cinema to watch the latest action movie.
I'm going to the cinema to watch the latest action movie.
As a salesperson, I assist customers in finding the right products for their needs.
As a salesperson, I assist customers in finding the right products for their needs.
Have you ever tried a foreign cuisine? Which one did you enjoy the most?
Have you ever tried a foreign cuisine? Which one did you enjoy the most?
I'm going to the doctor's office for a checkup. It's important to take care of my health.
I'm going to the doctor's office for a checkup. It's important to take care of my health.
What is your preferred method of transportation?
What is your preferred method of transportation?
What time do you usually go to bed at night?
What time do you usually go to bed at night?
Do you enjoy swimming? It's a great way to stay active and cool off.
Do you enjoy swimming? It's a great way to stay active and cool off.
As a tour bus driver, I take tourists to famous landmarks and attractions.
As a tour bus driver, I take tourists to famous landmarks and attractions.
Can you help me practice for my upcoming job interview? I want to be prepared.
Can you help me practice for my upcoming job interview? I want to be prepared.
I enjoy reading books about adventure and fantasy.
I enjoy reading books about adventure and fantasy.
I'm going to the cooking class to learn new recipes and culinary techniques.
I'm going to the cooking class to learn new recipes and culinary techniques.
What is your favorite sport? I enjoy playing soccer with my friends.
What is your favorite sport? I enjoy playing soccer with my friends.
I'm going to the museum to admire the art and learn about history.
I'm going to the museum to admire the art and learn about history.
As a teacher, I'm going to prepare engaging lessons to inspire my students.
As a teacher, I'm going to prepare engaging lessons to inspire my students.
I have 3 cats and a dog as pets.
I have 3 cats and a dog as pets.
Yesterday, I went to the park and played soccer with my friends.
Yesterday, I went to the park and played soccer with my friends.
As a photographer, I love capturing beautiful moments and expressing creativity.
As a photographer, I love capturing beautiful moments and expressing creativity.
I'm going to the amusement park to have a thrilling day of rides and attractions.
I'm going to the amusement park to have a thrilling day of rides and attractions.
As a chef, I'm going to a cooking competition to showcase my culinary skills.
As a chef, I'm going to a cooking competition to showcase my culinary skills.
I'm going to the art gallery to appreciate beautiful artworks and gain inspiration.
I'm going to the art gallery to appreciate beautiful artworks and gain inspiration.
As a writer, I'm going to a writing retreat to focus on my craft and creativity.
As a writer, I'm going to a writing retreat to focus on my craft and creativity.
I'm going to the gym to attend a yoga class. It helps me relax and stay fit.
I'm going to the gym to attend a yoga class. It helps me relax and stay fit.
His dedication to studying has helped him improve his grades.
His dedication to studying has helped him improve his grades.
I'm going to the sports stadium to watch my favorite team play.
I'm going to the sports stadium to watch my favorite team play.
Have you ever been to a theme park? Which ride was your favorite?
Have you ever been to a theme park? Which ride was your favorite?
See you in 10 minutes at the gate.
See you in 10 minutes at the gate.
Are you available for a meeting tomorrow morning?
Are you available for a meeting tomorrow morning?
I love going on nature walks and observing the beauty around me.
I love going on nature walks and observing the beauty around me.
I'm going to the fashion show to see the latest trends and designs on the runway.
I'm going to the fashion show to see the latest trends and designs on the runway.
Do you have any siblings? How many?
Do you have any siblings? How many?
I'm going to the post office to mail a package to my friend.
I'm going to the post office to mail a package to my friend.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.